Good morning, students. Welcome you all for Next Generation Learning. Today, we are going to see the subject Science and Class 4, Chapter number 13, Our Environment. Topics: Our environment, pollution. Under the pollution, we are going to see what is meant by air pollution, water pollution, land pollution, caring for the environment. The first one, environment. We share our planet Earth with plants and animals. Plants, animals, and human beings are living things. You know that plant, animal, the human being, we are living things. All living things are surrounded by non living things such as air, water, and soil. Together of living things and non-living things around us make up our environment. So the environment is nothing but it is together of living thing and non-living thing. That is called environment. The next one, pollution. Pollution can be defined as the presence of harmful substance in the environment, which can be harmful for living beings. So, what is meant by pollution? Some harmful substances are present in the environment. It makes the environment very dirty, so it is called pollution. The harmful substances that are found in air, water, and on the land are known as pollutant. So, the some harmful substances are present in the air. That harmful substances are called pollutant. Pollution is mainly of three types: air pollution, water pollution, and land pollution. What is meant by air pollution? The introduction of harmful gases and other impurities in the air that make it dirty and harmful for living beings is known as air pollution. Some harmful gases and other impurities are present in the air. So these harmful gases make the air dirty. Due to that dirty, we can say that the air is polluted. So this pollution is called air pollution. How the air getting polluted? Burning of fuels such as coal and petrol in factories and vehicles releases harmful gases into the air. So when we are using coal and petrol, these things are release some harmful gases into the air. Due to that, air get polluted. The next one, the smoke given by factories contains a large amount of carbon dioxide that pollute the air. So from the factories, the smokes are released. This smoke contain large amount of carbon dioxide. The large amount of carbon dioxide are mixed with air and causes greenhouse effect. Sandstorm and dust storm in certain regions also pollute the air by adding sand or dust particle into the air. So due to the sandstorm and dust storm, certain particles are adding in the air, adding into the air, so it make the air polluted. Volcanic eruption and forest fire release poisonous gases into the air. Due to the volcanic eruption and forest fire, some harmful gases are released from that process. So these gases are mixed with the air and make the air polluted. The next one, the practice of large scale cutting down of trees or cleaning forest is known as deforestation. So what is meant by deforestation means the cutting down of trees are called deforestation. Burning firecrackers during celebration also add poisonous gases into the air. We know that during Diwali we can fire the crackers. These firecrackers or released some poisonous gases into the air. Burning of large heaps of waste is also one of the causes of air pollution. So when we keep the large amount of waste in one places, we are fire that we are burning that waste. During the burning, it the waste materials release some harmful gases into the air. Breathing polluted air is very dangerous for our health. It can cause breathing problems such as asthma. Due to the pollution of air, we get so many health issues. The first issues is breathing problems such as asthma. The next one, water pollution. How the water get polluted? The addition of wastes from home, industries, and agriculture field into water bodies, thereby making the water unfit for use, is known as water pollution. From the home, industries, and agriculture field, we are we are leaving some wastes into the water. Due to that, water get polluted. So this type of pollution is called water pollution. Wastes from homes such as a plastic bag, bottle, wrappers, and cartoons are thrown into pond and rivers. This makes the water dirty. We know that we are throwing plastic bags, bottles, wrappers, clothes, cartoon items into water bodies such as pond and river. So this makes their water dirty. The next one, people who live near rivers and pond pollute their water by washing clothes and bathing in them. These activities release harmful substance into the air. You know that some people are living near to the pond or river area, that people are washing their clothes and bathing their body into the river. So they using some soaps. These soaps contain some substance. This substance make the water polluted. Factories release untreated waste into the water bodies. The poisonous substance present in the waste make the water polluted. So from the factories, the large factories or release some colored chemical items into the water bodies. These colored chemical items are very poisonous when it mixes with the water. The next one, certain chemical substance used by farmers to grow plants also get washed into rivers, pond and lakes. This activity also causes water pollution. Polluted water is not only harmful for plants but also for animals. How the polluted water are harmful for animals? Water that contain impurities is unfit for drinking and other uses. When the water is polluted, it is unfit for drinking and also other uses. It can make us fall sick. When we drink the polluted water, it makes us fall sick. Polluted water also kills aquatic animals. The aquatic animals are aquatic plants and aquatic animals. How it kills the aquatic plants and animals means when the polluted water or contains less amount of oxygen, aquatic animals die due to the shortage of oxygen in the water. So this is called water pollution. So please avoid the water pollution. The next one, land pollution. So how the land get polluted? The mixing of harmful substance in the soil is called land pollution. When the harmful substances are mixed with the water, that pollution is called water pollution. When the harmful substances are mixed in the air, that pollution is called air pollution. The same as when the harmful substances are mixed in the soil, in the soil is known as land pollution. Farmers use some chemicals to improve the growth of plants and to kill insect and unwanted plants. When these chemicals mix with the soil, they lower the quality of the soil. You know that the farmers are using some fertilizers to grow plants and kill some insect. And these chemicals are mixed with the soil, it make the lower the quality of the soil. The next one, other farm waste such as plant pot also pollute the soil. So the plant pot also pollute the soil. Throwing household wastes such as canned bottles and plastic bags pollute the land. Animal waste also make the land dirty. So there are the three type of pollution or occurring in the environment. So we have to take care our environment. How we have to take care our environment? So caring for the environment, it is important that we care for our environment as it gives us so many things, because the environment gives so many things to us. So we need to care of that environment. How we have to take care of that environment? Here are some ways of protecting the environment. First way, we should not throw away any of the household waste on the land or into the water bodies. First, we should not throw any household waste into water bodies and land. The second one, factories must treat their harmful chemical waste before releasing them into the water bodies. So, before releasing the harmful chemicals into the water or land or air, the factories must be check the harmful substance present in the chemical. Tall chimneys must be fitted on factories so that the smoke released from them does not mix with the air that we breathe. So, if you take the factories, the tall chimneys must be fitted. We should not bath and wash clothes in the water bodies. We should not bath and wash clothes in water bodies. The next one, we must plant more trees to keep the air clean. We have to plant more trees. We must use more of public transport to reduce the number of vehicles on the road. We have to use mainly for public transport. We must opt for fuels that produce less or no smoke over coal and petroleum. So we have to use CNG gas and electricity. Due to that, the air does not get polluted. So the next one, we should use paper or jute bags to carry things. The use of plastic bag must be avoided. So instead of plastic bags, we have to use paper or jute bag. If we care for our environment, we will be able to lead disease-free and comfortable life. So we everyone should take care of our environment for some ways. So thank you for watching the video. The portion is completed. Thank you.